Hello and welcome to week 8, the final week of the semester. When we look at the week at a glance, you can see that we have screencast comments coming on your drafts for project number 3. You have the directions for your 2 reflection assignments that are going to be part of your portfolio, and you have the 3 assignments that will be due over the course of this week. For your screencast comments, remember that you're going to want to look at the comments that I've left on your draft. You'll find these by going to the grades menu on the left-hand side of your Canvas page and clicking on the project number 3 rough draft assignment. You'll see dialog bubbles that you'll click on to get access to those comments. Each of you will receive an individualized video with comments on your draft, so I'm hoping you'll be able to view that and ask questions before the final copy is due. You also have your directions for the 2 reflection assignments for the portfolio. The first one is the research process reflection. In that, you've got 4 questions, and you're going to simply answer them in question-answer format. You need to answer in 2 or more complete sentences these 4 questions. You can download and upload that sheet and just type your answers underneath, or you can just type your answers, whatever's most convenient for you. The writing process reflection, however, is a 600 to 800 word reflective essay. So you're going to want to think about how you'll set up an intro, body, and conclusion, and you might have more than one body paragraph. At any rate, you'll use these bulleted questions to help you shape in answering those questions. You're going to shape your introduction, your body paragraphs, and your conclusion, and then you will be able to upload that assignment, that essay, into the portfolio link. Your peer review forum this time, this is your last one for the semester, peer review forum number 3, is much like all of the others. You're going to upload your draft to a forum post, and then you're going to look for a classmate's draft that has not yet been peer reviewed, and you're going to answer these 12 questions about it. And as before, you can either copy these questions into your forum post and answer underneath them. You can simply answer the questions, or you can put these questions onto a document, answer them, and then upload. Whatever format is easiest for you to accomplish the task. But again, please look for a classmate's draft that has not yet been reviewed. Your discussion forum number 5, your final discussion forum for the semester, is lighthearted. Tell me what you'd like for your virtual pizza order and beverage, and then what is one new thing that you learned this semester from the readings and assignments? What's one new thing that you learned this semester from your classmates? And just how will you spend the break before you get into your next semester? You only need to post once for this forum, but if you'd like to respond to others, you can. All right, and then the portfolio. For the portfolio, you're going to upload 4 separate files: your project number 3 rough draft, your project number 3 final copy, your research process reflection, and your writing process reflection. The assignment link is set to take as many copies of documents as you need, so you will have plenty of room to upload 4 separate copies. You'll simply upload those files or share the links to your documents, and as always, make sure if you're sharing links with me that anyone with the link can view. I want you to please note the staggered due dates this week, particularly that our class ends on Saturday. So you're going to want to pace yourself throughout the week to hit that finish line as needed by 11:59 on the last day of the semester. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out.